Removethefume is the global leader in fume extraction and air filtration, serving industries worldwide since 1975. For nearly 50 years, we've been dedicated to protecting workers from harmful airborne pollutants. Welding fumes and industrial air pollutants pose serious risks, not just to air quality, but also to worker health. These fumes contain toxic substances like hexavalent chromium, manganese, and other heavy metals, leading to severe health issues. Prolonged exposure can cause chronic lung diseases, asthma, neurological damage, and even cancer. Workers in these environments, without adequate protection, are putting their lives at risk every day. Removethefume's Diluter Systems provide a smarter, safer solution. These advanced, standalone filtration units continuously filter and dilute contaminants, ensuring clean air, without the need for complex ductwork. Choose the SCS diluter for light to medium welding or the MDB diluter for heavy-duty operations. Equipped with self-cleaning filters and adjustable nozzles, our systems provide tailored, energy-efficient performance with minimal maintenance. Both systems recirculate filtered air, helping to reduce heat and cooling costs while ensuring a healthier work environment. What sets our diluters apart? Simple installation, no ductwork, no downtime, just flexible, cost-effective air filtration. You can quickly integrate these systems into your workshop without disrupting production, providing immediate air filtration and long-term savings. Ensure a safer, cleaner workspace with Removethefume. Visit our website, download a brochure, or contact us today for a free facility evaluation. Removethefume. Clean air at work.